So I just discovered a really fun and interesting use case of Gemini Nano Banana. Basically, you can upload any picture, including perhaps your own product, and use Gemini to convert that into a cute miniature object in just a few seconds. And I think this would be very useful for e-commerce photography or perhaps product mockups or just marketing materials in general. And this kind of picture will likely attract quite a lot of attention if you upload it to your social media page or perhaps your website. So let me show you how you can create this kind of picture using Gemini Nano Banana. First, let's go to gemini.google.com, or you can also use the mobile app version of Gemini. It is just the same thing. Now, for this demonstration, I'm going to use this purple tumbler that I just got randomly from Google. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste that into Gemini. By the way, if you want to upload a picture, you can click the plus button and then you can select the file from your device. Now, after the picture has been uploaded, you can insert this prompt, and don't worry, the full prompt is available in the video description down below. Let me just copy the prompt and paste that into Gemini. Now, this is the prompt that you don't have to change, but you can change it, especially for the background color. By default, it is using the white background, but we can change it into a different color. And since the product color is purple, I guess I'm going to be using the same matching color, which is purple. And there you go. After that, click Tools, click Create Images, and just send the message. By the way, I forgot to mention that if you are uploading a picture or trying to edit a picture, usually Gemini will make sure that it is maintaining the same aspect ratio. That means if you upload a vertical picture, then the output will be a vertical picture as well. So that's something that you might want to know when working with Gemini Nano Banana. Alright, so we got this picture. It's very interesting, quite realistic, and definitely something that I could post if I were to market this product. And again, the full prompt is available in the video description, and I think you can use it not just to product, but also to pretty much everyday items. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.